Welcome to the latest edition of Vaccine Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. A multi-center cohort study in pediatric inflammatory bowel disease patients found that a single PCV13 dose did not increase disease activity or exacerbations over 24 months compared to unvaccinated peers, supporting continued vaccination in this population. IAVI initiated a first-in-human phase 1 trial of its single-dose RVSVG-MARV-GP Marburg vaccine candidate, dosing the first participants in a randomized, placebo-controlled study evaluating safety and immunogenicity in healthy adults. SK Bioscience highlighted progress at its Songdo hub, which integrates research, development, and pilot manufacturing, while its 21-valent pneumococcal vaccine, GBP410, advances through global phase 3 trials alongside broader platform expansion. Anixa Biosciences reported that its breast cancer vaccine met primary endpoints in phase 1, generating immune responses in 74% of participants, while its CAR-T candidate, Liracell, showed positive survival trends in an ongoing early-stage study. Sanofi became the market authorization holder for Nuvaxovid in Canada, following its agreement with MinervaX, and plans to supply the non-mRNA COVID-19 vaccine for the fall 2026 to 2027 season, subject to local availability decisions. Transgene completed randomization in the phase 2 portion of its TG4050 individualized neoantigen vaccine study in head and neck cancer, with top-line 2-year disease-free survival data expected by the end of Q1 2028. A phase 1, 2A study of a Group 1 hemagglutinin stem influenza vaccine demonstrated broad humoral immune responses and a favorable early safety profile, supporting continued development toward broader flu protection. MinervaX strengthened its leadership team with 2 executive appointments as it prepares to initiate a pivotal trial for its maternal Group B streptococcus vaccine, following encouraging phase 2 results. Stay ahead in vaccines research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.